In this video, I'll show you how to create a branded QR code in Canva in just a few seconds. QR codes have become an essential tool for businesses, creators, and marketers to share links, contact info, or product pages instantly. With Canva, you can design QR codes that don't just work, but also look like part of your brand. Start by opening Canva on your computer or phone. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side of your dashboard. You'll see several options, including one labeled Apps. Click on that. The Apps section is where Canva keeps all its built-in tools and integrations that make designing faster and easier. In the search bar at the top of the Apps panel, type QR code or GenQR. Canva will show you its built-in QR code generator. Click on it to open the tool. You'll see a field where you can paste the link or text you want your QR code to contain. This could be your website, a product page, your portfolio, a contact form, anything you want people to access quickly. Once you've entered the information, hit Generate QR Code. Canva will instantly create a scannable QR code for you. Now comes the part that makes it truly yours. Customization. You can change the color of the QR code to match your brand palette. Instead of sticking with plain black, try using one of your brand's primary colors. Just make sure there's enough contrast between the QR code and its background so it stays easy to scan. To make it even more personalized, add your brand logo right in the center of the QR code. This helps it stand out and reinforces your visual identity. Simply upload your logo by clicking Upload Files on the left sidebar, then drag it onto your design. Resize and center it carefully so it looks balanced without covering too much of the QR pattern. Once you've finished styling your QR code, click Add to Design. It will appear directly on your current Canva project, whether that's a flyer, business card, brochure, or social media graphic. You can resize or reposition it to fit the layout perfectly. Before finalizing, always test your QR code. Use your phone's camera or a QR reader app to make sure it scans correctly and directs users to the right place. It's a quick step that ensures everything works smoothly once your design is shared or printed. And that's it. Your branded QR code is ready. You can download it as an image, include it in any Canva project, or print it on marketing materials. It's a simple addition that makes your designs interactive, professional, and perfectly on brand. Creating a branded QR code in Canva takes just a minute, but it adds a layer of polish and convenience that can really enhance your audience's experience. Give it a try and see how a small detail like this can elevate your overall brand presentation.